Hello guys, this is Raul Bukhari and you're watching Sarab Productions. Today we are going to review a tool that is often used in aviation maintenance. That is pneumatic screw opener. Let me show you. There are the four major components of this tool. The first one is the pneumatic gun. The second one is instructor, a bit holder with a bit, and pneumatic supply. The pneumatic supply line connection is just below the gun. You can see this. Let me connect the pneumatic supply line to the gun. As you can see, I have connected this pneumatic pressure. When the pneumatic supply line is connected to the gun, the trigger is pulled out. As you can see, this pneumatic gun works on hammering principle. When you connect this instructor with the gun, it's hammer that instructor, and when you connect this bit holder, you can see the gun completely. When you squeeze the trigger, it hammers the instructor, and the impact from the gun goes to instructor and then bit. So when you push this trigger and rotate that handle of instructor, it rotates the screw in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, and it opens the screw in hammering jerk, like an hammering jerk, and rotating. So this is the gun, this is the trigger, this is the pneumatic supply line, and this is the and one more thing that I want to show you is that knob is rotating knob that you can adjust the pressure, pneumatic pressure, as per your demand. If you want more pressure, you can rotate in any position you want. So this is the knob, you can see. So this is the pneumatic pressure screw opening gun with instructor and bit. Guys, this is pneumatic pressure adjuster knob. Here you can see the gun is pressurized with pneumatic supply. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep watching Sarab Productions. Stay tuned.